I have to admit that Hobby Lobby is often my first go-to place for stems. However, Michael's has some fabulous options and they run some great sales. Let's take a look. Check out their summer clearance. This is a soft color that can be used for fall. Look at these orange ones, you would only need like 2 or 3. Surround your colorful stems with a lot of greenery. If you're thinking way ahead, how about these for Christmas? Those red ones. Ooh, I love those fuzzy ones if you're going for a neutral look. How about these in your entryway or in a wreath? Those yellow ones that look like tiny sunflowers are great for fall. These are simple, beautiful, and big. I bought these pretty stems to arrange out on the patio table. Thank you guys for coming along on this short trip. See you next time.